God, please forgive me for what I'm about to do.
Maggy Films.
Maggy.
Hey! Squeak! Hey! The donkey go a hee-haw, hee-haw. Donkey go a hee-haw, hee-haw. Donkey bring me want. Donkey bring me want. Anything we go down until top of seesaw. Anyway, you see the donkey, so me not care. Me not travel upon no country bus. Me a travel upon the donkey. Why? School. Me not travel upon no. Hey, yes, one of that country boy. Not no nice like when I travel upon the donkey, no. I'm my son to tell you. Why? School. Come donkey. Go on. Why? Drink some water now. Tap a river now. Why? School. Me not travel upon the country bus. Me a travel upon the donkey. Hey, brrr. Aye, oh yeah. Easy now, donkey. Oh.
Sumba, sunda da da dumba. Valley follow, mountain pass slow. This place my home, I'm not alone.
Oh, late.
Evelyn,
Everything alright?
yeah man, so far.
Boy, I walk down the whole place. Me no know. Like somebody that try run just me. Me see them a throw something on the grass them and now. Them a turn brown. Me can't get no work. Watch that. Me have the machete rusty. You know get chop nothing yet.
Yeah, no, sir.
And you know so really and truly between me and you. Me no want to chop up somebody, you know. Want chop bush, want chop grass, want some work. You know, no.
Yeah man, you know, so me know one man up here on one donkey cart. Where man look somebody to work for him.
Yeah. You have my number.
Yeah, no, me can't take your number.
But when would I get to work?
Me not.
Immediately.
You call him, yeah, immediately you get it. You just call him.
All right. Take my number.
All right.
I'll make the link. 825 1926. Even now, me know no man call me. So you go call me and tell me, give me direction to where the man is, so I go do the work. You get that thing?
All right.
Cause nobody when me talk to, and no say, go and work there for me. So we rate here, you know? You know the free can give me drink. No free in there?
Yeah man, you can't get one soda.
No drink soda no. More like a chicken stove.
Stove.
Yeah, yeah, so you go nice. When we get to work, we check your back and execute. Yeah, let me get dragon. But you say a sure thing.
Yeah man, that's sure.
Come on, girl, don't get the dragon stone.
I just me and me donkey. I'm a whole time friend. I just me and me donkey. I'm the whole time friend. I do some work this morning, you know?
Don't be a fool, Danny boy. Stick to the rules and make your father proud in a dying grave. Your father was a very good man, full of integrity. In all that you do, remember, don't tell anyone. This must remain a secret. Temptation will come your way, but you can't afford to lose this, Danny boy. Not for fame, love, nor for any praise. Do the right thing and focus.
Thank you, Jimmy. I'll take your advice, man. Alright? Yeah, man. Come in. You're late, man.
Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Yeah.
Alright, so,
The door river one, you know. Build up me. That's clean up. So that's that one, you know.
alright, you want what? The farm are really gone bad. So, we are going to see if we can clean up the farm because I just deal with it away.
No man.
And,
It's simple thing, you know. We can't catch up your back like you want around saying.
yeah.
Simple thing for match up, man.
So, we carry out, you know.
Oh, you know, say I left you for here, I don't remember, man.
Yeah, man. So, what we are doing now, we'll start from around there, so. Round the side there.
Yeah.
Weed out the side and come back round. Round.
Man, that's a good thing, and see potato, they must spring up here now, you know.
Yeah, man. But we get to work now.
Yeah, man, I'm ready that. Alright, I'm going to start, you know, for people.
Boy, son of tea, man.
The papaya, they want to come up and they want rice, you know.
Yeah. Cool, man. You joke upon them.
Well, I don't hope up this, you know.
So you're married there?
Sweat up, man. I feel home here, man. Come here.
You're good, you know, brother. This is son, yeah?
Yes, come on, wait. Yeah, man. The papaya, they matured, man. But yeah, one more thing. You know, plan to sell Lucy?
Brother, you can't sell the people them woman ag.
They not going to know that. All you have to do is just kill you and skill.
No, not upon that. Wait, who the brother, and work where I work, sir?
Alright, I'm going back and work. Alright, do that, dude. Sorry, you know, understand. Alright, I'm going back and do my whole
You know upon them thing, the brother. Work where I work. Can't deal with people, sir, brother. Next thing we go do that here, say we are chickster. Eh?
You alright?
And nobody no want to support the business. You know, Timbo. We could go over the next farm.
Dan, you can't take a break sometime.
Hold on, man. Remember, brother, people want to make it in a life, we have to work hard.
Yeah, but
By the sweat of your bro, you shall what?
you shall eat bread, but sometimes you can eat crackers too.
No, man. But a bread don't want. A crackers too tough. Life done tough already, you know.
I'm not sure that, man, but...
Well,
as I say, work hard if you want something in life.
man.
Believe in you. So.
Go over next farm, go get the food for tomorrow. Because remember, you know, when we go to market, we want no food to sell, so we go over next market, go get.
So we have to carry over this time, right?
We go over next, eh?
We have to carry over.
No, left it.
Thank you, Jesus.
Hold on. Where am I in there?
No, man, make that channel and done. Right now, we're not doing business with that, you know. God, no. We know what me and not done.
There's the water.
Rough. Hold on, man. Yeah, move so fast, man. I got it done. I got it every morning late. I see you, man. If you're so young, boy, that's it.
All right,
Feel it, what you want to teach you? You got to teach me one day, you know.
All right, sir.
So, put a melon one mango there. You see?
No, not time for that, no, man.
Well, I see the lady, old lady always want mango, you know.
Sure. Hey, them food I got sell, man, you know, brother.
I tell you,
Them pretty, man.
I go on, you know. And money you want to try to make, you know. As I say, by the sweater you grow the shell me and bread. I know good the man, you know, man. All right, to go. Hey, pull on the done,
Jeez,
done,
So you couldn't tell me, man.
done,
Make it
man.
on, sir. Make it on, sir. We unload them,
Yeah, man.
Put them on the van there, sir.
Pull on.
Yeah.
All right.
7 o'clock in the morning.
So 7 years, I'm not late this time.
7 in the morning.
No fret. Money this year, no. So
Yeah.
I can't late when I have money.
Right.
All the two I did the farm still, I did have to take my practice.
Now run a pattern now. Look at more.
Yeah, you run a boat.
Uh,
I can link you later.
yeah, man.
Yeah. Food for eat, you know. Down there.
You're late again, man.
Sorry about that. Sorry about that one. Sorry about that.
See you much later.
So I said, ready, you know?
Boy.
Yesterday, we did one weed out some more. I said, I said, sure.
Alright, come in.
Tired and hungry, man.
We'll do what we are doing then.
The donkey down the yard, right?
Yeah. We are going to market. Water. We don't have to long as say no.
Tell you, you know. You see? All the gungo peas are dry up.
Come on.
We need... You know, man. All in hallelujah. You know what I'm saying? Done. Wouldn't mind the hallelujah. They're sperm more fast, you know, man.
Boy.
You know why I use no chemical? Why?
Boy, I'm not the funny pesticide thing, you know, because them things are pipe.
Yeah, but you going faster, make money faster.
You understand?
want to get rich fast, you know, man. I don't want poor, man. You can't manage it. You think sardine and them shit, they are good food every day. Your brother did pay for a bunch of banana?
No, not yet, not yet.
Tell him they need to trust him, man. Tell him. But now get the money.
More come through, man. Yeah,
Man.
I know, this I know for a PD. We could go,
Thank you, Jesus.
we could go up on the market side.
You know, Lamar, you say that you a time to make money,
What
and
mean?
a time to skin teeth.
Youth and youth. Afternoon. Youth and youth.
Afternoon, Rastafari.
Uno good?
Yeah.
All right. Here what me say different to you now. Me I try find a virgin named Dan. You know? He have a donkey cart. Cause there's plenty Dan. Me not thought Dan have one. Me said Dan. We have a donkey cart. You know the virgin?
Yes.
All right. We party in live.
Let us walk on your
All right. When I pass back, if you're not there, we not get something here. Buy you some bag juice or something. All right? Big up on yourself.
Man, nothing bad do.
You're no man yet though. So you drink bag juice and okay, yeah, boy.
Me nothing bad do.
All right. Me think what you want? Jack and stout?
Me a yai rum. Yai rum.
All right.
Me a tell me Rasta boy, you know.
Yeah.
Lock, man.
You see that Anna pot plant there? But they want chop in.
No, I'm not chopping it, man. I want to start turn more.
Alright,
One of the come in me, I watch him in the country for one of them still in.
alright. There you go there.
Yes, sir.
Real. Nothing I gonna make you now, boy.
Straight to market.
Yeah, man. Yeah, that me can't understand now how them a young boy and I want to work, you know.
Like that, me fi tell you.
And we are no old man and we are work, so. Eh?
Like that. Boy, rough. Danny rough.
Yeah, man.
Right, you know, I don't know the Prime Minister how did them hoodlum, you know.
Me tell you, boy, because some of them don't want to work, you know. You know, them a mix up some people like unemployment rate. Some people out of that don't want to work, you know. Some percentage out of that don't want to work.
I don't lie. Two them fit we a farmer. Them fit we not bright.
So I think they should have one sitting with them call him no one work rate too. I lie.
Yeah, that one right, you know.
Mix up all people who are working, you realize.
What about farmers rate? What about farmers rate?
Zumba.
How much can get for more money?
Sunda da da dumba.
Huh?
Don't talk about my half a bar.
The
Believe
red
me,
partners, you know that.
mountain
Yeah,
for
yeah,
soul.
yeah.
What? This place my home. I'm not alone.
Yeah, tell her.
Where I go?
Oui.
Check off the pattern is in man.
Thank you. All right. Yes, Billy. Dan,
Hey,
how much time you say you guys come to clean up your place?
this morning if you come in.
This morning. What's the time? A good young man.
You want to bucket them? You want to bucket them come?
All right. See. All right. All right, look it. Man, I take too long, boy. No.
You soon.
What time we are going to market, by the way?
Soon push out. So feed you them first. Alright, yo. Do you the pot?
You know, we have a pint.
You must say we have to eat something, you know.
I'm hungry right here, man.
Wagwan, youngster.
There.
What your name, sir?
My name Jovan.
Jovan. My name Fire, right?
Yeah.
Me a check for one brethren named Dan. We have a donkey cart. You know him?
Yeah.
What part he live?
I live around this one. Yeah, I go past one big tree right there, so a mango tree. Then I go right around there, so I go see be a dog, and then I go down on a hill, and then I see a yard.
Me a good on one hill.
Yeah. And then I
So me a go up on hill first.
No, yeah, go down on a hill first.
As me grow on the corner, me a go down.
Yeah, and then
I
up on
don't
a
go
hill.
down, man. Is there a way for me to walk up on hill?
Yeah, yeah, I go up on a hill.
You're confusing, alright. You're good though.
Yeah.
Alright, me go figure it out.
Yeah.
I got to find this man no normal.
Hold on, man. Wait now.
I want to get trouble. Come in, Dan. Come. Come. Ready?
Where's the food ready?
Yeah, man. Food ready, man.
Hungry now, boy.
Man, take long at all. Where bread?
Bread in our bag, man.
Couldn't buy the slice bread, man.
This we can't afford.
Well, at least.
How are next spot?
No juice.
Yeah, man. Cheers, no man.
Just me and me donkey and me old time friend.
See, donkey cart, so. Dan! How you name Dan? Come up.
In, man. Forward, man.
Listen me now. I now come no further, you know. That scent here smell like hog.
No,
How about that?
I know. Come on, man.
No, yeah, tell me, sir, I go there. That big old white something there, so.
Rasta. Around here, somebody want you to clean up. Nothing in the yard queen.
Listen me now.
Around here, so.
Rasta burn a fire upon a hog pen. Me no go round hog. Me no.
Imagine I eat it. You not eat the hog.
Listen me now. How you coming to eat in argument? I come for work, but I don't work in a pig pen or pig surrounding.
I clean up the area.
Listen me. Get somebody else clean up that. Me no clean up hog pen.
I tell you, know.
Rasta. You hear me I say? And in the one you clean up and around it.
Listen me. Me no clean round hog pen or round hog.
Oh, you make money.
Listen now. No worry about me making money. Right? Worry about cleaning up on a hog pen on yourself. A fire rasta put on a hog pen. Listen me now. When no call I, you call me for work.
Yes.
Yes, but you have to clarify. Say you a hog man.
All right, hear me I say, Rasta.
If you tell you we
Yeah, tell me say you a hog man so me know. Say,
I don't say you're a Rasta.
well, now you know. And
Rasta,
now I
what kind of work you
go.
do? What kind of work you do?
I clean up bushes. I chop bush.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So now that-
But I don't chop bush around hog pen.
Rasta, I don't like your style, man. You can't come.
Let me tell you something about style. The style you have no good, right? You must try, you know, so you tell people from the beginning, say hog pen cleaning.
You know what I tell him?
So hear me I say no, differently from that. I now have to do them work, I know. I have 14 subjects. That's why I now go shave up. and go work in the Babylon institution, you know. All right, I'm telling you that.
Hey, Rasta, first subject.
I'm tell you one thing. You all right, you know. See your bread butter on the 5 side.
Are you side brother Rasta? What we tell her, you think that somebody saying something I can come here, man?
Rasta don't want to work, brother. All right.
Give that boy the side of the work for you, can't chat too much.
It's all right.
Make him yam down the grass them.
All right.
Why? We have got to clean up ourselves. I'm going to check on the donkey and come.
All right, then, me go and mash up. Oh, me mash up everything now. Oh, Rasta come piss me off.
Jimmy, we are about to go in town. Where we can go to make a good sale.
Go in town. When you go in town, a lady in a red dress is gonna come and spend a big money with you. Right by the supermarket.
Thank you, Jimmy.
Ah! Run the bird for man. Oh, you know, laminate piece of bird.
Ready now, ready.
Ready?
Yeah, we are going town.
All right.
Yeah. Lucky gate now, man. All
You
right,
can't come out. You can't come out, man. Remember, see them pen up in them pen, you know. Them good, man. Them good.
all right. Going in town.
Are you lose him? Everything needs to sell, right?
Yeah, man. Two of them.
Yeah, man. Sell.
You want to make a decent sale today, no?
So we're going right town, we are going to market, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Like this one, I look. Oh, no.
You know what's the shut out somebody in there.
No, man. No, shoot out somebody in there, man.
You tell say.
I tell you, sir. Need more donkeys like this, you know? Rap. Easy, top him, listen.
Alright.
I want to park up yesterday.
Alright, you want to go?
What that?
One lady, I come spend her money over there.
Which lady? Yes.
So,
I don't understand. Every time you tell me something happen, I want a call again.
what you say?
Oh, man. Me want to see. What color clothes she in?
I want to register.
Who want to see what I want today?
Well, we just going to wait.
Cause God know. One know what I want.
Hello? A food in the cell?
Yes, ma'am.
Even.
Hello.
Me can get one bunch of banana, Irish, onion and then some soup there.
Tie donkey there, so sorry.
And what your partner?
No, man, I'm alright. Alright. Ah. Them one are soft, you know.
You sure?
Come on. Where's the one?
Want everything we have in the bag here.
Whoa, sure. Alright, so I'm just gonna put the banana in this and give you.
Yeah. How
Right.
much for everything?
Pumpkin and everything there. Irish everything.
Yeah.
Alright. 5,000. Thank you very much. Alright, so I can't get the bag, but me I go to another supermarket and get a bag for you, right?
Alright.
Go over
Yeah. Thank you.
Well done.
there.
You can. You go for market and have a dance. Nobody can know. Nobody can know.
Yes.
One.
Ready?
Come on. Ready.
Hello, hold on. See that?
Yes, I'm
Alright, where are you going?
in the car.
That car right there.
Can put it in the trunk.
Wait, yo. Hey, donkey cat, man. Yo, how you doing, man?
Yeah,
Hey, no, babe, go easy. Yo, come on, man. I talk to them. Yo, where the woman? Eh? No, yo. When you say that woman in the boss,
I help her with that. Jeez, and what is man?
yo, look on this, sir. You see this, sir? That means to leave that woman alone.
I help you.
Whenever you see her again, yo, babe. Hold on, man. What kind of money so make a touch you? Donkey cat money sign up. Help us look, man. No, listen to me. No, babe, let's go. Babe, let's relax. What do you mean no arm? Yo, take for yourself, man.
Yo, what we have to do, Bretton?
Yo, look at this. Kick it away, man. You kick in your face. Come here, talk. Yo.
No, babe, Jesus.
Hey, boy, move yourself. Man. Babe, not this. Go in the car, man. Yeah, make donkey, man. I carry some truck. On a head fun and donkey, man, you know.
Hello? Oh man, don't do me anything, man. I'm okay. Yeah, leave him alone. Alright. Yeah, thanks. When I'm thirsty, you know, over the moment.
What going mother now? They good?
Yes, man. Me alright, man.
Yo, what I'm thinking of getting done my thing, man.
Why, thank you. May God bless you and keep you. May your storehouse basket never go empty.
Thank you, man. I appreciate
You know,
it.
you don't have no joke.
No, man.
Make sure none of them no line up.
I want you good, man.
Alright, me one. Alright.
Get that, yeah?
Alright, do some yourself.
Yeah.
My word, I don't know.
I don't like way before. You never did have to beat up me with stuff. You just tell a child for help. You just there in the car, you see me I come up with the buckle and I do nothing.
Hold on. You know, say, some things you have to see and blind here and there because you don't understand. You understand circumstances. What are talking? Hello? Yeah, man. Everything good. What? No, Chief. No. And that is it. Alright. Later, I fall in our work. We'll talk about it. Alright?
Oh, what okay.
I wonder if I become beat up, eh? The brother. This will cause a problem. Supervisor calling and tell me, say, be careful. Don't kick your man nobody. No work, nothing alive. How you feel? I know how you feel like, say, you make certain people help you, because you make me look bad.
So, when we say you have something for, reason about when we reach at work. Yeah, man. What you know? We get this order and it come from up at the extreme top, When I say extreme top, I mean it come from the higher rankers. And right now, the man them say whatever it is that you do, you have to stop and desist from it. Me? What you know? I want me hear and I want the people them tell me. Whatever it is you're doing, because I never ask them that. The man them even stay up on the phone long enough to tell me nothing. The man them just say, tell me second, to stop what I do, because it attract too much attention. It attract some heat, unnecessary heat what we don't want. So I say, alright bossy, and I hit that.
Alright. But me I say to you, still see, more when you get them phone call and, like you say, boy, yeah, get the higher calling from Brayte. You ever see the boss yet?
Why, my general?
You ever see the big man yet? What claims my big man, the whole operation, everything?
What you know? Never yet put a name to the face in my G. I don't know how this man here look. I don't know what to tell you about this man here, but all me know is when time orders come, bossy orders them ever concrete. And some me no miss pan not my G. The man never yet tell me nothing and it no gossip.
So, me I wonder still, see, in a case like this, what could I go wrong make them call you and tell about me just like that? Eh?
Brother.
It's not like some I do my job and my job not always effective. Eh?
Hear me say no man. It's not what you do still, It's probably how you do it. I remember say them man they have eyes all around the streets. So them think they can cause one whole heap of little things where we not see. They might get bigger than we pay grade, So we have to just know what we do. We have to just work in silence, my general, and keep things on low profile.
But me I do that because I don't want to go to jail.
No, we don't want to go
He's
to
not
jail.
a person for and on my profile, that, bro. Well, everything we do is business.
Hear me say, the man
You know what I
say,
mean?
tell you a thing, and I tell you a thing. So, do what you will with that, Or just so the thing set right there, so.
Alright. Yeah. I don't hear that. So, what we playing around?
You don't know, man, on the call where wait for man. Call supposed to jump in shortly, man. As soon as the call jump in, you don't know. We'll make a move and go do a round, you see it.
Alright, so we're going to wait.
Police! Put your hands to the window!
Yo,
Put your hands to the window!
Yo, so what I'm doing next, brethren? Yo, and a me one in that vehicle.
What should I call me for?
Girl, me soon reach. Me the right round that corner here, so. Stop doing your credit. Alright. Good evening, Miss Mara.
No, don't wake her. She's sleeping.
I know, girl, I'm stressed out.
Yeah, you always stress.
No, but for real, nursing school has stressed me. Pharmacologist, psychology, as well.
That's why I'm asked you?
Right now, I want homework. They just said me a summit.
I understand. But me and say for that stuff last year.
Yeah, I'm kind of busy.
Well, I miss you and you need to come around so I can help you. Mostly. Well, me can't help you.
Anyways, let me tell you what I come up here for. I'm stressed out. I never start from the so. What me say, your man get locked up.
Well, you ain't get lots of food to that.
So, I want to go to class that I donkey cat on an embryo.
No, you're right to know man. We're starting position of flower or more than one flexibility and so. So, and then the bank account, and I will give you the information here.
As somebody tell me, but they want to say them kind of money that your man did a draw.
Well, yeah, I know.
I ever talk about the donkey cat, man. If me have a man like that, me I would feel, girl.
Well, you know, David, him abuse bad influence. And the donkey cat man, in the name that don't call it that. The donkey cat man, he's a very genuine person. Like, he's way better than a
donkey cat man, anyway.
He was a donkey cat man. Yeah,
Why mama donkey cat?
His name Dan. Dan? So Dan?
Donkey cat man.
Anyways, so, in way better than David. David just, we can't make me with you.
Me rather go through the abusive rich relationship than if you go through the broke relationship. Me rather the ball on a yacht than a cat.
See, you can agree with me. Yeah, man, I can agree. You can agree. We will stick to that. Me, I tell you, Dan is way better in cheap more way better. The guy just like in the supermarket and the boys is going out and can't start because the man. What for cause that? This is a big embarrassment. If you know me, if you like, I don't really care about going in the car, going in the car, you know everybody starts.
The thing said that they, they are jail.
No, yeah, you're not going to be able to. And the people for it.
So get liar or something?
Honestly, I don't know. I'm really care, like, my focus there. Over that. Because me like me.
That's good, but you man have more money than that the donkey cat boy.
You go too far. You're past the place now. You cannot do that. We are come from too far. For me to do something like somebody else telling man's boy.
What in
limits? I know that though. What that say?
Buckle friend.
That girl, you go too far.
I like him
that goes, it does not matter. It don't matter. Me like him. And when you meet him, you get.
Anyways, I can't go long because I get homework right now. I have to go finish up some biology and chemistry.
Give me a hug, and I think I'm going to say what can we do today. You just come up here with your bag about that stress.
It smells nice though.
Dan!
Yo!
Come on, man!
What's
the time?
I put up my bed better.
Time, you say 7 o'clock, come man. And 9 to 7, come.
Voila.
Tired, man, tired. Dan!
You say me I come, brother. Hold on, man.
Come in, man. You see it?
Boy. Boy, front door nearly pop off last night, brother. I not open it.
No, man, listen, man. 5 minutes left before 7 o'clock, man.
The door nearly pop off.
We don't pay attention to that. You tell me 7 o'clock, I hit me at work off, man.
Come, take a seat, man, top of chatting. Hey, man, I mash up this thing, man.
Heavy, man.
Wait.
Wait.
It's a one of first, brother. Over there. Now. Why not easy, no, brother?
Wait. You couldn't tell me that so you did really heavy. Eh? Boy. All the time. There you go. Okay. No, man.
You are going. We'll feed the them and then we push out. See?
No problem. Cause next time, let's say 7 o'clock, we are going to market the start feed the them from 6.
You wash your face, man.
Huh?
Man, I have to wash your face. Water, man. Wash your face, man.
Wash it right now, me having a problem with it.
Wash your face, man.
I tell you.
Matter in your yard, man. Tell you, man.
I don't be there no member for wash my face. Sometimes I'll even for wash your face in the bed. We not come so sometimes it's still in there.
Yo, day just like that, I sweat already, brother. It's so nothing, man.
Come, you say 7 o'clock?
Oh.
I'm money more go make right now.
Come on, yeah, man. We're not wasting no time.
Yeah. We want rich, you know, man. We want some money.
Yes, Richard and Elon Musk.
Not really, you know. Me just want some money, you know. That's why I don't keep woman in my yard because you know, gonna make me give no money. So you see some of them woman, yeah?
Alright, man. We need my family. We're not next.
God, you can't talk about family in that state.
Listen, I say in the next 5 years, if you come and come see us, full off a little bit. Yeah.
In the boat house, same way.
Oh, yourself, man. Come on.
You see how the man woman are talking nowadays. If you don't have money, they don't want you.
Easy.
And the local market money can't help them. No banana, no mango. Come on. Get to find it, get it. We're going to market. Young banana. Over here, right there. Nothing
Donkey go a hee-haw.
Yellow.
Donkey go a hee-haw.
Yellow.
Donkey brain me want. Donkey brain me want.
Yellow.
Thinking to her.
What
you see the donkey so me not talk on no country bus. Me not talk on the donkey.
Cashing and smoke.
Me not talk on no
thinking to her there.
Yes, what that country boy. No man nice like when I talk on the donkey no. I'm my son to tell you.
Fresh yam.
Everything there.
Come donkey.
Yeah, yam, banana, dashing and cocoa.
Drink some water now.
Yellow.
Tap a river now.
Oh, go on there. Hold on, I'm going to get that drink, yes, no.
When I talk about special, I might shot that, you know. Too special. Too special.
Tell her, brother. So I go and party.
Yeah.
Really go up on the market, you know?
Yeah.
You alright though?
I like it.
Real.
Alright, mum. Let's see how I get it, yeah?
Later, here.
Oh, God.
Yeah, boy. You're drunk already, no boy?
No, man. I just 2 drinking, no, man. I want you taking, you know.
Yeah, because I drink with caution.
Yeah. Yam, banana, and dumpling. Yeah, yellow. Dashing, cocoa, mango. Yam, banana, dashing, and cocoa. Over here, tip. $200 a pound. Yam, $100 a pound. Cucumber, mango, 300. We are let it go. Each Indian 100 for one. Everything 100 now. Yeah, look. Yeah, look. Get the yam. Walk out, dash in. Yeah, man, if you want me to tell them they want the color load already, come. I said, color load, you know.
Two, man.
No, but that use chemical in the one, you would. Yeah, look. Out the road, tip and clean. No chemical. Yam, banana, dashi, mango, cocoa, cielos. Cielos.
Hold on. Hold it, hold it, hold it, bro. Hold it, bro. Hold on, you never tie lock tool. You need to give donkey some water for you know. You need to give donkey some water, man. On the anti-merle and the water, you know.
No. I'm going to market to give donkey some water, man. I'm not that right now, you know.
Alright.
I try to find him, I can't find him.
Hey, good day.
Hey, Don, come on. You know what? No trouble. Come on. What me say?
Alright.
Is it okay for me to have a word with you?
Don!
Sure.
Don, tell me you want to Don.
Make a couple, man.
Don.
So, I'm so pleased to see you. I truly wanted to apologize about what took place a couple weeks ago. My boyfriend is like that sometimes, you know. So, what's your name again?
I didn't tell him my name. Should I tell him my name?
Yes, I'm trying to get to know you.
Just call me Dan.
Okay, I'm Shanice. No? Okay. So like I said, I just wanted to apologize about what took place a couple weeks ago. We were just trying to help. After all, you're just such a gentleman.
Thank you.
Is it okay if we be friends? No?
Huh?
Is it okay if we be friends?
Oh boy. After what happened?
Yes. Is that such a bad thing?
We can be friends.
Okay. Can I have your number?
No?
Why not? Okay, if we cannot be friends, I see that you have stuff, stuff selling and stuff. You have grown provision, my mother like that. So we can support the business.
Sure, you can support the business, no problem.
Okay, so what's the number?
The number is right there on the card.
So you don't want to give it to you?
The number is there on the card. You can call us if you need one provision.
Okay, no problem.
Hey, brother.
Excuse me.
Timber, a business we are doing. Let's have the number.
Okay, so I'll definitely give you a call. Like I said, I'm really sorry about everything. So
Okay.
expect a call from me.
Alright, man.
Okay.
Brother, you should get going.
Don,
Hmm?
you know, you know, listen. You're a black and blue, you want my black and blue, you hear again?
Business we are doing.
Don, whether business or not, I'd rather not take your money. Eh? You give her your number, you know what that all lead you to? Next thing she in your bed. Next thing up, I don't want to go there so right
Brother, I
now.
don't want a girl in my bed, brother.
That's how we are saying now that we know when they're interested in somebody. Eh? So, I might bread back if you want top.
Come on, make we go, man. Just go, man. Make
Come
some
on,
money.
beg so. I'm begging now move. So, you shouldn't move.
Carrot, we have over here, carrot. We have the Irish them too. We have the Irish them over here. Because some of them people here, them a walk up here and I feel them stall alone people a go. Carrot! 500 a pound fee yam! 500 a pound fee yam! Hey, me say, you don't know say, other day I be a little water, me see them at the donkey cart man there, but every day you come here with the donkey, I go and think you can trick people. Them a thief off things off of people farm and come out here. I go on like I say they can't trick you. They can't trick you out here, man. Can't trick you. Irish and yam we have over here.
Yeah, start set up nice.
Yo, hey. You hear me over there?
I'm alright.
All right with that. Yo, get your way, man, I say.
Alright.
Done. We have to come people things.
Same alright, brother.
Yeah, eat out the profit, man.
So now we do your work.
No, eat
not
out the
eat.
profit. Yo, you know, some no lick him like that. But that's a big stone over there.
Over here, so people, over here, so.
Come over here, so godly food. Don't go over there, so full of.
Ground provision over here, so people. No fertilizer.
Right. We now walk on these people. Pepper.
Well, come like a mama, man.
Dan, you can't go over there and lick him now.
You're fighting a market anyway.
You can't go over there and lick him now.
Love him.
Sweet pepper we have over here. Come from Andrew, let's get them all little donkey, them feel like they rich. They feel like them as somebody true Andrew, let's get them all little donkey. But time come, as soon as Master Mark win, is a Benz we are drive down at this. You can't trick we. When you settle for a little donkey.
No, you soon get where you look for, you know.
I got something there. I got something there. Yo! I'm not for buying off on them boy, you know.
Why?
Today they call me and give me work. I'm going to check all of the goods them and I hack pen in there. Everything keep rock. I got piece and shit. I got piece and shit. Smell them. Look where that's up. Look where that's up. Look where that's up. Try something. Look where me don't pull out this, you know. When me pull out this, I'm fire, you're dead, you know. Try. Just try something pull out this, yeah.
Why don't you tell people something, Jerry?
I be a so on have. Be a shit and piss man the mango them. Be a piss and shit for the good them. Oh no buy no fat. Yeah, you can't style, you can't style me. Come on, go on.
Tell me one about Rasta. Yo, you hear what man say? You hear what man say? And then he go tell that the dirty one over there. You know what that means?
Brother, fight, you're gonna get fight everywhere. You have to just
We don't like you. We don't like you.
Brother, hold. You have to people try out my own. Relax yourself, man.
Your day soon come. Your day soon come.
Brother, now listen to that. Brother, remember so that man now, man.
Your day soon come. Yeah, it's mango man. Cheap and okay.
3 bills a dozen.
So me have 200, we can't find us.
Yeah, man, I have someone.
Are you West them there?
Give me. Yeah, man.
No matter what I'm trying, we still have make money.
Money have to make.
Man, short head.
No, man, me 2 bills when it's saying I'm making 250, you know, so you know
Good.
Come in for the mango there.
Yeah, Lord. Come in for the mango there. One bungi.
Hey, where the pan?
See how go. I'm bursting this here. Where you listen there?
Yeah, man, take a listen now.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, man, it's bad. Yeah, you have green, no man. No, but it's good. Hey, there, you want to know when you get the color from? That half it. Eh? No, man, it's good. Good.
Yo, can't do money, so brother.
No, man.
No, what I say?
Yo, tell the money too. Man say, yo, yeah, that's smell good.
You know, see a son who go on like you want style man all the while.
Jay, me say, Dan.
Man, not style thing.
Dan.
No, man, everything good, man. Everything good.
Dan, me say that. Dan. Where you do that? And everything good, you talk. No man like his style, Dan. Tell you already, man. Wait till the man. Yo.
Virgin, if you have a virgin and you can't tell him the truth and everything.
Sometimes you keep it to yourself.
You put the girl style in you.
Well, you're right. Me not say you're wrong.
If you want vex with it, you vex.
I know you don't make a sale over this, you know. Sale out, $100. It's good money.
I sprinkle water.
$100.
Hey. What sprinkle water sa and Papa?
Your mama can go and sprinkle water, but I don't go over here and sprinkle. Watch him. Watch him, I walk road. Watch him. The man go and walk road. Adios. God, I go strike you over there. $100 market. Yeah, man, go and sprinkle your water, yeah. You no frightened away. $100 market.
Sumba Valley follow Sunda da dumba.
Yeah, today was a good day. So that's the last thing, but where things?
Give God thanks for making him.
Yam, banana, and dashing, quacker, over here. We are still in a year or two. You can't sell out a road, you have to sell few people them too. True. Yam, banana, dashing, and quacker. Come on, chief, everything have it done. A pound of yam, going for 200 now. Cheaper than when we do market. Yam, banana, mango, sweet and sour mango. Yeah, we are eating the... East Indian done.
Yeah, man, East Indian done.
Good evening, Miss Elsie. How do you do? You all right? Then can no mango today, Indian today, no, it's done. All right, tomorrow.
Yeah, man.
Alright, let me say this.
Yo, Dan, let me have your son. Man, take it too, man.
Easy, easy. Oh.
So, I'm not bother go the way there. So, just start, we can,
Oh.
you know, today was a good day. But you see the rasta there. You see me telling him this will make him come, you see style there today. Huh?
So I go on, man, but I release that.
Mhm.
I release that.
So why you always give me more money than yourself?
Or
You
yourself, man. Or yourself, man. Alright.
You sure?
Yeah, man. I have some money. I'm
Ah,
going to live, man.
Alright. I said nothing.
But I'm going to spend half the money on a rum now.
No man, just a one drink, that's how we stop. So, tell us I want to be here when I bar me, I pray. Anyway. Can't go around here and not drink one drink.
You can't work so hard and not spend out the money then, brother.
Me understand, you know, but
anyway,
me not live with no woman as we say.
Alright, do what you do.
Yeah.
Later.
Alright. Jack.
Easy, Jimmy. I take a call. Hold on. Hello? What's up, Shanice? Yes? Just come off the road, you know. I'm going to call you back. Yeah? Yeah, man. Alright. I'll call you back. Yes. Wow. She called me fast.
Hello?
Hi, Shanice. How you doing?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm done, you know.
Yes, hello.
Yeah, you used to my voice already. And I one time we talked on phone before.
What's your number?
Oh, you save it?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, so how was the day?
It was okay.
Oh,
How was your day?
day was great. Just a coming off of the market, you know. Tired and thing, you know.
Okay, well, I'm acting as a service today.
Oh,
I'm waiting to see you again.
okay.
Let's go play.
Yeah, no problem. We can meet up. Where you want to meet up?
Um, Actually, I'd are you free tomorrow?
What time?
Mm, maybe 12. No, that's okay.
Oh, so you want to come to my village?
Sure. I'd like that.
You sure?
Can you put me a little bit?
All right. Um, you see, I live at a place called Grant Bush. You just want to come at the square in Little London and turn up that road. Right. Yeah, man, just come all the way up until you see a sign on the left called Grant Bush is written on that sign, so you can't miss. So from you come there, 12 o'clock tomorrow, I'll meet you.
Alright,
I'm at,
I'm not so familiar with that area, but I'll call you when I'm on my way. You could ask me.
yeah, man, just call me and I'll come out there and meet you.
Okay, so 12 tomorrow?
Go again?
12 tomorrow.
Yeah, man, 12 tomorrow, man.
Okay, so I'm 19 again. I'm excited about tomorrow.
Really? I can understand how your boyfriend just beat me up like that and you just take on to me like that. But what about me like that? I don't know.
I guess I can show you our children tomorrow. My boyfriend had always been like that, a little bit abusive, angry, he had some other issues.
Oh, so I'm always abuser.
Not necessarily, but definitely an angry man.
Oh, okay. All right, we'll talk. We'll talk tomorrow. I'll give you a tour in my village.
Okay, I'd like that.
Alright. Cool.
Make sure to enjoy the rest of your evening.
Alright, you too.
Thank you.
Alright.
What one Santa?
You are going, sir?
Yeah, for the whole
Yeah, man.
I'm going to go back around.
Yeah, man. And drink your rum.
Woodland Port, yes, sir.
Yeah.
So, just remember?
Yeah. Yeah, give 1 year. Yeah.
1 year. Yeah. One bottle of rum there, you know. How we rum? Where are you still going on? Santa! Santa! Yeah. Where see you, Santa? No. Santa, you sure, Santa?
I don't see a hole. I'm going to clean that shit for sleep. I don't see a hole.
Santa, no, I'm not fool, Santa. Santa!
I don't know. Mind the jump.
Look put the hole right there, Santa.
Mind the jump. You don't see that hole.
I'm going to start drink.
But me don't know if you drink. I'm clean that in there already.
Well, we never kill that here, no.
Me don't know.
You don't know.
No, for me, don't see that hole.
I think you don't tell me, you don't know.
Yeah.
We talk.
Yeah, man. Talk, man. For me, don't see that hole.
Hey, listen to me now, man. You know, we shouldn't get chop no place this morning, yeah? Rasta for you chop it. We could have the market and make some money. Because you have breadfruit I can sell for the tree yeah, already.
That's the same man I want to work, man.
Huh?
You see Rasta man work?
Yo, Don.
Yeah.
One more thing, come on. One more thing, come on.
Virgin, I work.
Come on.
What you say?
For a serious level. You know, load the man woman alone.
What you mean? What you mean?
Me see say you like her, man. No tell me that, man. Remember say you can't fight, you're a coward. And me see you pray the man, woman. Me not like that. You see, how the man a rock your office, you know. You think you run me run?
Me a coward.
Of course.
So hold on. Who a coward? No you.
How?
No you run.
No, man, I told me I want put up myself in a bigger problem. I want twist up his face. I want get into white kung fu. That's why I love you alone. I'm turn up in the corner and I watch him see man a choice office.
Listen to me, I say. You're a coward. You a coward.
How me a coward?
Are you a coward? Because you wanna me and you ever a practice one way you say
yeah.
what you say I do.
We practice it.
And no. You're supposed to protect me and your virgin.
No,
right?
Listen, me never want.
On your left. Virgin, are you a coward?
Me tell you, me never want.
What that call me for?
No, me never want twist up in man's face. Load the man alone,
so
man.
that means say they for your mind all along then, virgin.
Yeah, load the man, woman.
I'm matter of fact, listen me.
You can't fight.
Listen me.
I'm tired to tell you.
Listen me. The female that come here today.
You can't also see you.
So listen. Me don't want you going like say you want show her no cold shoulder or give her no cold shoulder I mean or whatever.
Listen, no making come here today,
Listen man.
I don't like say you can't fight. I mean I tell you no. I tell you no.
Timbo. She's coming here
today
and we are going
Dan, you hear me say? I tell you where she a go pan. Remember say me and you alone upon the donkey cart, you know. Where she a go pan to come here?
She a travel upon it.
Travel upon what? Dan, me no want her near me, Dan.
No bother with that, man. No bother with that.
You just see a man a rock here, Dan.
Relax, man. Sometimes you feel like got things in the man.
Dan, if you make him come here. Make him come here. Me have me catapult. I want me catapult. Make him come here. Make him come, Dan.
You alright, you know?
Dan, if you know. Alright, Dan. I don't like that girl, you know, man.
The girl is a nice girl. She's a nice young lady.
Nice, no?
So
what?
You fight against her, sir?
Me not fight against her, man.
Remember, say me need a family, you know.
Family out of she. Family out of she.
So me are gonna need a lady.
Dan, do better. Do better. You know, I feel the act we go up on the road here, man. Because I'm not going to chop nothing. Me vex. Let's not going to cook. I cook nothing more.
Hello? Yeah, where are you now? Alright, listen. Yeah, where are you now? Alright, good. Yes, when you come by the entrance of Grand Bush, just stop right out there. I'm coming out there to meet you. Right. Yeah, I'm coming now. Alright. Timber, soon come back. I'm go for the girl. Yeah, what you do? Carry cat put down there, so. Right, Auntie Merdy. Listen, man. Everything alright. Everything alright. Listen, man. Remember saying you do your thing, you know. So if I nothing, you can defend with. And guess what? Oh! The man gone to prison. Remember say the man gone to prison, man. So everything alright, man. But I go
Nowadays, people can come out of prison, Dad.
Just give me a chance, let me go there. All
right. Do your thing, but tell her not come near me.
Sunda da da dum.
Tell her to stay 100
I just say me
meters
a
from me.
Wally follow.
Can them...
Wow.
I'm okay. How are you?
Looking lovely.
Thanks.
Come on and shade, man. Yeah. So, as you can see, lifestyle, this is my place.
So all of them are here?
No, man. I don't mind them about my grandfather used to drive them tractor, you know. Way back.
Okay, or you just like this?
That's how you meet me. So, don't mind the side, the kind of body road bad, so I'm not gonna make you leave the car right here, so yeah? I'm gonna want to mash up the front end, you know.
A farm?
I'm not far, man. I just right down there, son.
You sure say you can go?
Just follow my lead, man. No, I don't want nothing beat. Around there really, really bad. Remember a donkey? Donkey can't move, you know, so a donkey road.
Well, as long as it's alright. You sure say it good?
Yeah, man, a good man. That's my place, you know.
You know that too much in the road?
It's alright. Remember me tell you to go over there, sir. Right?
Well, okay.
I'm mainly donkey traverse them road there, so don't worry yourself.
Okay, so how far from here so you live?
Quiet at this time. See, say road start get bad now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
But it is far.
Probably to you.
You're used to the place, it not gonna be far to you.
You stay, man. Man, liquor walking is good for the legs, you know?
Who tell us something to exercise?
Can't say a long time, you know, walking up. Pay drive, you drive.
Well, yeah. Because then if you have the vehicle, you're going to make you safe.
Not true.
Right.
So, how long now you drive? You seem to be a very good driver.
But
you better than me.
Why?
But I bet you can operate a donkey cart.
No, I cannot.
Okay.
It's the first time I saw one and I see it with yours.
Okay. Yeah, man. So, like I said, the road start get bad now. So the cart they're right around the corner, so I'm gonna just get a tour of the community, right? Yeah, man, so I see my brethren now, that's on the cart.
That's the one I'm really serious with.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
We are going to get a tour of the place right now. I'll put up on the donkey cart. You know.
We're not do that.
Of course. Yeah, man. Today we are turning a country girl, man. I go ride on donkey cart.
Make sure you can manage it.
Years me operate this. My father, and my father cart, you know, but he died. Yeah, man, so you know, we operate them things from ages.
Okay.
Hey. Alright, so let's go.
May I go for this?
Yes, you're going on it. Come. Step up on the wheel.
Some people put my foot all the way over.
Yeah, man, just step up on the wheel and go. Okay, so you have two options. You can either sit down flat or you can stand up and hold on each of our shoulders.
Alright, me hold on.
Alright, no problem. Let me get the car. Alright. Easy, easy. Easy, Jimmy. Alright, ready, man. Hold on, good enough.
More.
You're dropping.
More.
Remember, one family now, so don't be afraid, man. Loosen up, right?
Okay.
Yeah, you're officially a country girl now, right? Hey, go on, Jimmy.
I never think more than something like this.
Yeah, man, so we are going to tie up on the farm now, yeah? Alright. Easy, Jimmy.
Just never think more than something like this.
Well, today is the day. Feel me, man.
Well,
Alright.
I'm gonna come down.
Alright, I'm going to take you down. From the back.
The board not gonna break.
No, man. Sturdy like that. Mind the cutlass right there. Easy. Jump now. So you're waiting, man. I see you're waiting. Huh? Jeez. Yeah, man, so this is how we have farm, you know?
Okay, so you have a donkey, you have pigs, what else?
Yeah, man, that's strictly farming we do, you know, in this community. You know? Man, and the big ones over there, you know? Yeah. Yeah, man.
So, what do you mean?
This. Alright, see this. Come closer now. Alright, so in layman term, you see when you have them pregnant, we put them in yourself.
Okay.
Facing that way so them no smash them piglets, you understand? So the piglets can come all the way around here and you know? Yeah, man, so that's pretty much what we use it for, you know?
Understand, but it look like it's been a while since the pig them give birth.
Well, not really, no, because I can see we have a lot of
So you
piglets
just
in
let them
there
do
and
them thing over there, sir.
but we are trying to get brother to clean up the place because too so busy. We have to go to the market and stuff. He say no want to work. So one of them do me and Timbo have to just take some time and clean up the place, you know?
Why him not want it too big?
Long story, he's a Rasta and he say no clean up down and say.
Well, I understand. So I never know where I come from.
Not really, you know. It's a lady tell me about him, say him clean up place and you know, I tell the lady to send him come, you know?
Well, I understand.
Yeah. But alright, we're not going to stay too long here, so we're going to give you a tour up on the farm.
You have cows?
Yeah, man, we have a couple of cows as well. I have a couple of other cows and I'll show you my house and thing right up there, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Dad, we don't like this, you know. I don't like this.
Alright. Well, enjoy the motion.
I mean, it's alright.
Yeah, man, we are both in the mountains and all, you know. But I stop by my house first. Yeah. Give us some water to drink, you know. Yeah.
Bad idea this one done. Bad idea this one.
Like Master Nathan forget to clean up in the farm. Yeah. Well, I tell you.
I don't talk about Jonathan right now. I talk about this year.
Go on, man.
We want it today, you know. I don't like to when I talk to you, you know.
Hey, JJ. Hey, JJ.
Listen, I go on my yard, you know. I tell you already, you know. I tell you already, today, I still disobey me. Dan, what you want, listen, man? I look you reach already.
Timbo, everything is alright, man.
Everything.
Cool, man.
Me said, don't come down on me yard, come call me if anything
man.
up here, so.
You see the princess
Don't
bring
look
the
for
trouble,
me, you
sir?
know. Don't look for me.
The princess not bring no trouble, sir.
Me not.
No, she look nice.
You can't even bring trouble.
Just
Until you go there.
cool, man.
You see you.
Anyway, I watch it. That's alright, yeah?
I see a man here.
Yeah. Tomorrow. Cause you know easy, you know. Yeah, come on. You can't go on, man. Take it easy.
All right.
Come on. Hold on. Me might have go flip, you know. Yeah, man. So, sun hot, you know. Even though you will bring the heat, you know. You need something to drink?
Yeah, just some water.
Yeah, man, we have water in our crib, man. Now run to get the water and come back. I'll show you some more places down there, so. When you come back, you can chill out inside, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah, man. Alright, I come there. You drink the water?
Yeah, water.
Pure water, you know. Real Jamaican style, you know.
Thanks.
Yeah. Alright, so. Real bush we are going now, you know. Right? I'm going to show you my farm and some other places, right? Alright. Yeah, man. You suppose you're a pro now, you know. Alright, you can't go by yourself, you're a pro now. Alright. Man, not even help me take off the bag them, you know, man. Why? Hold on this. Take off them bag of fat, yeah? Hold on.
Don't need to respect.
Hold on the country girl. Alright, just make it come to him now. Hold on there, boy. I hear a man go them still, you know. I you look them fine. But I'm going to rest them inside till they come back, yeah?
Alright. Ready now?
Yeah, man, I'm coming. You're eager to go in that bush, eh?
Yes.
Alright, you're going to sit down beside me this time, yeah? I remember I said for my boy not there, you know.
Oh, very good.
See, you look nice for my cat. Beautiful like a princess. Well, you're a princess. That's the young son. Now the hills. Yeah, man. Alright, that's
Okay,
it.
so I have a question.
Yeah.
What your actual name?
What my actual name?
Yeah.
Never tell them my name.
Dan.
Okay. Yeah, man. Them call me Dan.
That's your alias.
Yeah, that.
Your name.
Yeah, man. That's my alias still, but my current name is Rowan Daly.
Okay, Ron.
But I don't know from small them just call me Dan. I think it's because my portray like a Dan behavior, you know. I don't know why. But from probably about 6 years old them call me Dan.
Okay.
Right, name is Rowan Daly, you know.
And you like what you do?
I love this. Remember, you know, a country this, you know, fresh air, and I like, you know, the town where the carbon monoxide, enough and nothing there. You know what I mean? So oxygen clean. Yeah, man, we do the farming and food good, you know?
Yes, say your friend now. What going with him?
Them good, man. Them alright, man. That's all, man. A long time, man, my friends.
Say, I give me like attitude, man, understand, say, you know.
I'm good, man. What I watch? I tell you, I'm going to come around. Alright?
Hopefully.
The reason why I stop here, so want to introduce her to them cheese. I don't know if you know them already, but this is a tamarind cheese.
Yes, I'm familiar with that.
We call it tamarind.
Right.
Yeah, man, alright. That one over there, so. Yeah, man. I want thinking to cheese that. Yeah, man. You can't eat, you know.
No, I'm not eat that.
Man. I can go for one, yeah, come show you. Yeah, man, so on. Yeah, man, see it here. A local site right here, you know. But in the country, I will call it thinking tour. Yeah, man, you can eat it in one piece.
No.
I know poison, man.
But know that.
Can eat, man. Simple thing. Some of them tough. You have to use a rock stone and bust it. Yeah, man, so eat here. One piece. Can eat, man.
Let me try it.
Can eat, man.
Yeah.
That's why we call it thinking tour. You have a foul smell, but it's nice, man.
No, I know that tastes good. I can come down now?
No, we are
Are we
booked
go
up.
around, sir?
We are booked up.
Okay.
Anyway, let's go. Hold on good here. Watch out, watch out. Good boy, good boy. Good boy.
So which way your parents take?
You know, so my father, the old man drop out. Yeah, something I love to talk about still, you know? Yeah, man, so as I said, this farm right here is ours, you know? And we have another big farm right around here. And another one over there we plant yam only.
Okay, that's a lot of yam.
Yeah, man. As I did tell me down the road, say your mother love growing producer, you want to support the business. So, a matter of fact, I'm not going to even charge Timbo like it.
Him like me. You know what you doing.
Alright, so we are going to take a walk over the farm now.
So we can walk right here, sir?
No, let's do it. I don't want you to drop off, no man, I'm back and open in the country just there.
Right.
Although I'm a big first aider. So. Yeah. You know, walk with my cutlass. And just me, it will become a part of me.
Sure.
Walk around. Soon come back. You vex with me? Alright, safe drive, yeah?
Okay.
Alright, later,
Bye.
yeah?
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
We will go. Shine, come here. We're going now. We're going to your friend. Which friend? One friend.
Cliente say, I see you and you don't for that why. I make sure say, and you I don't know. Make sure that the animal family is the spirit is not true. Because we don't know. Don't open what they're talking. Listen to what me actually say no. Remember say, they can get prison and that needs saying I was in a lifetime. I don't like seeing prison again. He might not come back. And he's still prison. He pay my bills. He take care of me. And he take care of you. Me no, let me talk. Me no want this prison and hear say you and that they don't can't boy in a things. Stay far from that boy.
Mom, you remember if you have a Friday on I don't want to be. But he is very bad.
Listen, be good one.
I don't know.
Get right.
I am not a child anymore. And the donkey cart boy, who is a man, and he will like Donnie, he's just my friend, and you can't friend too.
You can have friends.
But
listen, sometimes friendship just go on you.
Well, I just my friend.
So if I'm your friend, I'm your friend. We can't tell you to be a friend. But make sure say, you know, go no way personal. Try to get tight. Because we don't want defense to step us on here. Say, listen to me now. Listen to me carefully. Make sure say, you don't have to let the car while they're driving around with that car. Make sure say, you know, drive the car because I've done a deviant car.
We don't pick up anybody with me. We just go look female come back. We didn't even stay that long.
One day, you know.
Where do you have to get more repeat? I just heard that I did, and then please don't be mad at me.
All right. Make sure. I remember I didn't want you. How can you walk? They make the lambs too. Butcher your corner. I don't want nobody butcher you.
Yeah, man. It's nice to see you another day. Eh?
Well, it's nice to see you. So yeah. I'm going to come back soon.
Alright, so I carry down the riverside. Eh? Chill out a little bit down the riverside, yeah?
You're going to the water? You're going to the water?
If you want to. Every morning, your boy go to the river, you know.
I guess we have to come sleep over so we can go river to every morning.
Sure. Them things make you fit, you know.
Sure, so we can sleep over.
Of course.
Did not know that was an option.
Yeah, man, always.
Okay.
So, you see right there, where you see them two pegs there? Suppose me tell you, say, you ever heard about arrow wax?
No. No.
Seriously? You think I never go to school?
Well, I can educate me. I'm listening.
Yeah, them say, right there, sir. Them say two arrow wax buried down there.
Okay, sounds interesting.
So when I walk, when I'm walk way over there, so because, you know, people say them afraid of ducky.
You afraid?
No, sir.
Well, you might be not afraid.
Afraid.
You know,
Afraid of what?
you come from both the place.
Oh, I'm telling you, man.
Maybe if I never did I walk with you, I meet your boss, but I turn back.
No, sir.
Hello.
See that? And deep hole right there, so, you know.
What is that deep?
Yeah, man, that's so deep. When I look up boy, right there, so, you see even deeper. You know which part water gone? But ground there, so still. I'll take off a pass. Alright. Take your time. I'm gonna teach you something about river now. Step down. Alright. You see all that stone them when you see no water and run pan? Dangerous stone them. Them stone that you slide pan them stone. Them stone that usually slippery.
Really?
So you see the ones that where the water run on, those are the ones that you step on. Those are the safer ones, right? Yeah man. So take your time. Feel how the one that's slippery? Alright. Just sit down right there, sir. Oh yeah, pull up. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah man, so right there, something there tell us that's why it's deep one time, I don't know how to get so shallow. Because you see the rock there? When I about 10 years old, I used to dive off of this side night. So I don't know how come to get so shallow, you know.
God, please forgive me for what I'm about to do. But me can't, God, me just want you to understand. Me have to protect my peace. Me have to protect me and my daughter well-being. Me have to protect it, God, with all my heart, body, mind, and soul. Me can't make this a look how donkey cart boy you come mash up with life just so. Like everything just gone down your drain just so. No, sir.
Yeah man, so this is it. Paradise. Yeah man. You're a boy come down every morning, come do come to thing them.
My boy. Okay. Well, enough about the river. Again.
Him said the river. Yeah?
Again. I want you to apologize about, my boyfriend and everything that happened. We never really get to talk to you another time because the place is kind of noisy and then you're afraid and then, so really start about everything.
That's alright man, we don't talk about that now. We're up on the riverside. Enjoy yourself. But the place is nice. You don't really come down here that often again, like one time still, but we need a dip to just come down here. Come on. It's nice though.
Well, thanks.
Beautiful, eh? Mm-hmm. What shot up with that?
Oh, the water cool.
Yeah man, power night, you know. You feel it? Yeah man. Beautiful, you know. It's come on, cherry.
Mommy?
Wow.
Hey, Shanice. Where are you, my princess?
I'm at the river with Daddy.
You're with Don? Okay, all right. I'm home. I'm just washing dishes and stuff. So guess what? I want you to bring him over, right? I'm making dinner. So you can just bring him over for dinner. Because since he's a friend, I'm not going to act as if I'm all this, awful. So just bring him over. All right?
Wait, really? Re Yeah. Alright, mega asking, but like, alright.
You can bring him over for dinner like 7 o'clock.
7? Alright, mommy. Okay, later. Alright. Guess what?
Well, go on.
Mommy can come over for dinner 7 o'clock.
Yeah?
Yes, and you cannot be late, you know.
Yeah, so
7.
get accepted.
You accepted?
Wow. Big old progress that month.
Thank you.
So you are going. I'm going to deal with some things, and then get ready.
Okay.
Because I have some something to go do. So I wrap up, and then by time we're done, I suppose it's 7 o'clock. So let's go. Take your time.
If I was further, even if I have a we could actually go in the water. And you know, I'm actually happy for mommy actually want you over for dinner.
What time she say
I'm
again?
actually excited about that 7.
7. Alright.
Don't be late, you know. Don't be late, you know. Cause I know
Can't mess up that. Jimmy, soon come back.
You just be careful, Danny boy. Not every smile a smile, and not every welcome a welcome.
Thank you, Jimmy.
Walk good.
Alright.
Shani,
Mommy?
come here. Where the girl?
What?
Somebody's at the gate.
Oh, it's Dana. Come up. It's Dana.
Go on, let him in. Go on, go let him in.
Yeah, man, so go on. Yes, nice though.
Yes, sir.
Hold on. What's your mother name again? Merle. Oh. Hello, Miss Merle.
Hi, Dan.
What are you doing?
I'm fabulous.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you can come on inside, man.
Thanks.
But you have manners though, you take off your shoes.
Something good, Miss Merle.
I see.
It's a very nice place, though, Miss Merle.
Yes, thank you. We're trying, you know?
Yeah, you're looking really nice.
You can have a seat over there.
Thank you very much.
I'm going to prepare your dinner.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome. You alright, Don?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, you can go inside the room, you know. Shanice in there. You can go in there until we finish prepare. Then I can call you guys out for dinner.
Okay.
Alright? Alright, so guys, dinner is ready.
You can't tell me, you can't answer that riddle there.
Alright, so I'll be in my room, alright?
Okay, Mr. Mayor.
Alright, so Don, you already know which one is yours where you are sitting.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Alright, enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Wait, no, but I don't understand. Because you said the riddle is your father have one chain. I don't know.
Father have one chain.
Mhm.
Every time it grow on the track, peace side papa.
No, I can't figure it out.
You give up?
Wait.
Just say you give up.
I'm going to give up. I won't.
Destroy.
Really?
Simple
But
as that.
Mr. Boss, I'm Mr. Car, nothing never close to the answer.
Destroy. I'll igloo you say all that. So let us pray. Most righteous and eternal God, bless our food. Let this food be nourishing to our bodies, mighty God. Cleanse it, mighty God. In the mighty name of Jesus Christ, name I pray. Amen.
Amen.
Yeah, man. Nice door. Long time I eat breast and now on the leg and time week. Still, but working because I don't know.
No, that's alright. We can switch. It's alright. We can switch.
You serious?
Yeah, we can switch. No biggie.
No. Alright.
Here.
Alright, thanks. So, after I finish, you can tell some more really.
No, that bust my brain. Just kill me. Alright, what is the difference between a light bulb and a pregnant woman?
You're not supposed to talk with food now, no. That's it. That's the only fact.
You're unfair. What?
Say I promise.
Because I have a little conflict.
What?
You want to hear?
Mm-hmm.
I'm just looking for like more and more. Like the more time we spend on each other.
Mm-hmm.
Eat me a job.
But I say the same, you know. We're hungry, you know.
Okay.
You're supposed to make a money blush when you're hungry.
Alright, I can eat.
I like still.
You can eat.
Well, I'm funny, you know. I can't believe that after your boyfriend meet up, so. But they have so. Alright, funny bud. Thank you. Miss Merle! What? Shanice, what are you? Miss Merle! Shanice, Miss Merle! Miss Merle! Miss Merle! Shanice,
Yes, what happened?
She jumped up. Jesus.
Shanice! Shanice, mom! Shanice!
Hold on.
Shanice!
Now call the ambulance.
What are you doing to me, Penny?
No, do I look Miss Merle?
What are you doing to me, Penny?
No, do I look Miss Merle?
Shanice!
Yeah, we can't get an ambulance. Right. It has field scheme, lot 612. So, yes. Somebody just stop down and the man. Unconscious, please. Tell an ambulance right now, please.
You see? Yeah, man, you talk about me and late. From man, me tell you pretty way there. Eh? Boy, me my ball. Me alone can't control them. You know? How are you? I beat them with you again.
Hey, you know, say, listen, hold on. You know, say, Shani is in the hospital.
I man beat him up.
Remember, say, man gone to prison, brother.
Then the man can't say man go beat him up.
Listen, man. I go up to the house for dinner last night. And we eat some food. And just drop down, brother.
Oh, him just drop down. So she did sick. I sick somebody.
Boy, I don't know, no, brother.
Why me feel it for you? God knows.
So, Bridget, when she dropped, you swear that she dead in a brother, like me, I said.
So,
why?
You know what happened to her and she don't know record her sick in. What we shot? Hospital she don't know.
Yeah, man.
What?
Yeah, what going?
Alright, man, tell you the truth, you know, Dan. Because I feel sorry for her right now, you know. As much as me and her talk because he make him boyfriend beat you. But I tell you the truth, I feel it for her. I'm sorry for you too. And that really make you come out so late. Tell us love about the girl.
I'm not going to work this morning. Later when I fall, I can do some work. Just feed the hog them, I go down to the hospital. I find out what's going on.
Yeah, I regard, but it makes you feel like, say, my heart there weird a zero, so.
Alright, just do it. Now go down to the hospital, alright?
God.
Right now I'm stressed out, brother.
Forgive me, Father God. Thank you, God. I'm going to feed the hog. Come in, Lucy.
Thank you, son. Are you what happened?
Hey, Doc!
Huh?
What's going on?
Oh, okay. Okay, man. What's up, man? How are you doing?
I'm Shani's fiance, as I know him.
Oh, okay. Hold on. Son, put these in the cart. Wait, as a matter of fact, give me the clipboard. Just put up the vehicle for me now, please. All right, hold on. Here's the car key. All right, I'll be there soon. So what's up, man?
Why, Doc? I'm stressed out, you know, man.
Boy, I could imagine.
Tell him, man.
You know what?
How is she doing?
Well, I should put it pretty. I have some good news. And you know, good news sometimes come with bad news. I also have some bad news. All right? What you digest was a type of poison, food poison. But yes, and the test that result that came back.
Serious?
Yes, sir. It's not the traditional poisoning. It's something very, very serious. You have E. coli poisoning, and you have the botulism. It's two of the worst type of.
So hold on.
Well, some in the she has to digest it somehow. So I don't want to really know how she digest that or how it, in her system. Anyway, I will leave that up to whatever, but she does need a surgery.
One sec, I get a call. Give me a second, let me call her back, please. Alright, yes. Yes, Doc.
It's very expensive. In order to save her life, it's very expensive. And I'm not talking about no one or two. It's gonna cost you maybe $3 million to do the procedure.
$3 million?
Yes, because it's a surgery. It has to be done just to get her on the safe side. But with the surgery, she will live. Okay, you understand? So I don't know, but
Doc, anything to make she live. Give me, you have an account number?
Well,
The
yeah,
banking account.
I can't, you know, I have my card here. I could write the account number.
Yeah, give me the banking account number, Doc, please.
Yeah, all right. This is my card, and this is the account number. But guess, the sooner you act, is the better for her. You understand?
All right, Doc.
But yeah.
Doc, just give me a few seconds, please.
Huh?
Just give me a few seconds. Doc, just 1 second. 1 second. Yes. Do me a favor right now.
Sorry to say, no, try and hurry it up, you know, because I have a meeting to go to here.
Yes, Doc, I'm coming. Do me a quick favor right now. Send $3 million from my checking account to this account number. I'm gonna WhatsApp the number right away. Okay? Alright. Do that right now. Right now. Okay.
What's your name? Don? You know, actually, I have a meeting to attend to, so I'm asking us, just
Coming to you,
have to
sir.
move soon.
Doc?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so you said that as soon as I get the cash.
No, man, you know, that's how the thing going. As soon as the funds is released,
You can go ahead
start
and
the procedure.
you can go ahead and check your account, Doc.
Do what?
Check your account.
Check my account.
Yes, Doc.
Okay. Hold on. See? You mean, seriously? Hold on. Yeah, hold on. Ooh. See, is this?
Yes, Doc.
Whoa, that was quick. Okay.
Doc, I have to go now. You have my number, so give me a call, alright? Thank you.
All right, we'll start the procedure first thing in the morning, all right?
Doc. Yes, Doc.
That was quick. Wow.
Take your time, take your time. How you feel now?
I feel a lot better, but you know, I'm still need some time for recover.
Good.
So what going to do?
I'm there, you know.
How your friend?
Left my park and just work.
Okay.
Be a company, my company as you would. Every morning I market and sit down. You know, I come look for you.
Yeah. Dan, I have a question. I'm hope you can be honest. Where you get the money to pay for the surgery? That's a lot of money. Like a lot of money.
Long story. That's a very long story.
Well, we have time, or you can cut it short.
You see, Shanice, see life. Certain things that you see on the outside, right? It's a total different thing that is going on the inside. And I'm going to tell a little secret. Don't tell anyone, right?
Okay.
Don't tell anyone. Shanice, I'm a very, very wealthy man.
What? What do you mean wealthy? Wealthy? So, I'm confused. With the donkey cart, everything.
See, like I said, this is not something that I should disclose at any given time, but in that it's like you have a you have a spot in my heart where, boy, I first me was this. So I'm gonna tell her, right? But trust me, just please don't tell anyone. Like I said, I'm a very, very wealthy man. Even at supermarket today, that you went inside.
Right, to get the water.
Yes, that's my supermarket. And the haberdashery that is adjacent to it, that's my establishment as well. But like I said, please do not tell anyone.
Okay. So I'm not. What?
Hmm?
I'm gonna follow.
Yeah. So yeah, we can change the topic now. Now that you are aware. So how you feeling differently?
Well, feel a lot better now that we get to save. But I'm alright. I'm okay.
I'm gonna sleep for a couple of nights, and trust me. I just step on my mind from that thing that happened, and it's like I just a picture you on the ground when you fell that night. You know what I mean? So it's a rough one, trust me. But thanks be to God you're here.
Also, I was thinking about moving into. Is that okay?
Yeah, that would be awesome. Trust me. Can start a family as well, you know?
Yes, I'd like that too.
Yeah, knock yourself. Till I get better and think we can discuss that going forward, right?
Right.
I forgot to leave you now, because Timbo wait for me, we want to see we can go and market right now. So, if you need anything, just call me, right?
I will.
Alright, so later.
Thanks for everything. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome, baby. Later.
Be safe.
Well, I'll see you, right?
Don, where are you going?
I have some unfinished business to take care of.
You don't have to leave so fast now. You can stay a little longer, even until tomorrow.
You can call me, man. Call me for anything, right?
Okay, alright then. Don't be a stranger now. Ensure that you always come around here.
Right. Thank you very much.
And please be safe and take care of yourself on the road, alright?
Alright, let's call me if anything, alright?
Yes, alright.
Thanks.
Remember, be careful now.
Yes, Miss Nora. Hi.
I wonder if the donkey cart boy that.
Now you lose everything.
Jimmy.
You're a fool, Danny boy.
No, no, no.
Love will make you do some crazy stuff.
Girl, I'm glad they're alright and everything, you know. Miss Marissa figure this. Girl, I'm glad they're alright and everything. Oh, you know more ask you? So where you get the money from? See what I hear? Where you get the money from for pay for the surgery? Davian did left money here for you?
Which Davian? Davian, I don't take him no. No, him don't leave the money.
So where you get money from?
You'll be surprised. You said the donkey cart boy we are star about. The donkey cart man we are star about boy. I him pay to you.
And where you get money from? And him broke so like that.
Stop it. No, you have to stop it for true.
In look broke, in cat broke, in donkey look broke.
Stop. Stop.
Everything about him broke.
Yeah, no, I don't know. Him for broke and him pay for the surgery.
So where you get 3 million from?
Girl, let me tell you something. He's very wealthy. Like you see the supermarket, them always are going and buy things. Even the day when I go buy the water and Davian beat him up, I feel him supermarket and the Arbor Dashley. I feel one. The man have business internationally and locally, so he stay there.
That forced me to hear that. Anyways, I'm glad they're alright. I'm glad they're alright and I'm glad they pay you. Your surgery. Anyway, I forget him money from car. Come like me, I forgot put him up and ask so Miss 3.8 million. Anyways, you know say.
Why you never got asked who missed the money when Davian gone to jail? Yeah? Davian better than nobody?
Davian is my boy. Anyways, I can't go down because you know some my face.
Every time when I come up here, I have something to do. You always say, anyways, me I go in now. Anyways, when you come out, tell mom to come here.
But you know me a study girl.
But me do like so when
nursing school, me
so when you gonna come spend some time with my understand, but you don't feel like someone miss you.
Miss you too.
Anyways, tell mom to me I call her.
What time I come up here, I want you. But I saw you go today, I'm my best friend.
At least we make you stay longer, because as you come here, I go way back. Charles, remember, don't tell nobody. Nobody. I'm serious. Don't tell nobody.
Bowa.
Alright, good.
Ah, Timber boy. I go and make you rich, but you have to keep your mouth. Your heart weak, Timber boy.
DONN the donkey cart.
You have made it to the end of episode 2 of DONN and the Donkey Cart. Thank you for watching and I hope you do enjoy it. Guys, I just want to implore you, just subscribe and share the channel. And I must confess guys, we do have some challenges with equipments. So if anybody out there seriously want to help out Maggy Films with some equipments, the number is right here, right? Reach out to us. I also want to thank everyone that has played their part in this movie. Yes, well played guys, well played. And do remember, share the channel, like and subscribe. It is very integral in getting this channel to be a success story, right? Yeah man. So, Guess what? Big man, come make the people, come talk to the people, man. It's Timber, your people.
Yeah! I not the hat, you know. I not the water boat. I not the suit, but you know, it's a timber.
The big man.
So if you don't want to see more, me beg you know, please subscribe.
Yeah, man.
Because I'm going in every movie when I post. I promise you, if as long as them foot your work and them hand your work, I will be right at Maggy Films.
Right.
So please, you see more on the share, it's better for we.
Yeah,
We're not for the hawks, for look up, you know, but the more share, it's better. And you will see more movie. More movie.
Just like that. Just like that.
As him say, equipment really relevant for you because I tell you the truth, they say without equipment, good movie can't shoot.
Can't produce, right.
Because to him write the movie, me I tell you. Me confess, most of the time say this a movie I do way far more better. And I don't business. Because it do good. And that's why I work with Maggy Films because when me sit down and me watch me I say, you know, if we did a shoot movie that way, the quality would have more better instead of it. No, but me remember, subscribe.
Yeah, man.
PFS Films here.
Maggy Films.
Maggy Films and
I'm
every
remember,
films too.
Remember, you know, and I just Maggy Films, you know. PFS Films, Richard Brown Films, Jamie Wood, Paradise Nation, a one umbrella, a unity we are dealing, right? Big up on yourself, viewers and subscribers. Always, every time. And so my brother, we're not going to see you, so tell you, not tired. See it?
One more comedy next coming.
Look out. That one I got epic. I'm not telling you the name yet, you know, but look out.
See you where?
Outside.
Maggy Films.
The reason I say that is more I should feel free to express myself.
Okay.
Yeah. Start back on top again. Yeah.
Alright, ready, action.
Yeah, man, though. This is my little village, you know.
Okay,
Then,
the mayor.
Hmm?
The mayor.
No, but grandfather used to operate them. Alright, no do that, no do that. Nah, man. Ready? Hey. Just go and raise them, man. Yo. Yeah, easy now. Afternoon, youth and youth.
Afternoon, Rastafari.
Alright. We think what we want. Jack and Stout.
Me and right now.
Yes, I like the way
you like the scene.
Like the space.
Hey, nah, check out the part. Hey, front foot out beautiful. Come now. No man, so we can go, Eh? Oh, you come here, sir. You use that, sir. Catch him now.
You know, go on, you come.
Yeah. Are you late now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought me down and come on with you.
So I go look sad and I say, yo, I want you. Then beat you up again. You know? Yeah. Everybody come over here, sir. So, ready? Yeah, man. It's nice to see you another day.
Well, it's nice to see you too.
Yeah.
Look for the way to come back and see you.
Yes, 119, what is this?
Come in. Don't forget that one out of here.
Yeah.
Hold on, what you say? Then for do what?
Subscribe to
All
Maggy
right.
Films.
All right.
Remember, you know.
See it there?
I'm not going to see enough of me.
Man, just make sure, you know, man. Subscribe, because we are putting whole power work. You see, sweat,
100K.
You see how we are
Yeah.
sweat? After own, you know.
Never sweat in my life.
See, so me a beg on. Hit the subscribe button.
Bless you
See
all.
donkey there? Make them see donkey, you know. Alright. See donkey there? I Jimmy that. Alright. That's what I'm doing here, so. I yelling up and tell them say, subscribe.
God bless you all.
Big up. Go.
Hey, squeeze, squeeze. Hey, baby donkey go a hee haw, donkey go a hee haw. Donkey bring me me want. Donkey bring me want.
Santa. Santa.
Yo.
You see who was Santa?
You don't know who.